Everybody! Tara Hills, the Canadian mother of 7, has made news recently for coming out in favor of vaccines. The fact that being in favor of vaccines is news shows anti-vaxxers have done some serious damage. The anti-vaccine movement was started by the now discredited medical quack Dr. Andrew Wakefield, and has been promoted far and wide by such medical authorities as Jenny McCarthy and Jim Carrey. As for Tara Hills, it took her 7 unvaccinated kids getting whooping cough to make her see reason. In her mea culpa, she explains, anti-vaxxers can be reached using the right approach. So if the right approach isn't using reason and evidence, then what is it? Anti-vaxxers claim vaccines cause everything from autism to government mind control. But all they're really doing is ruining group activities with strangers and setting the stage for an impending epidemic. Threatening the safety of our restaurants, our public transit, and our group sex parties. If the anti-vaxxers have it their way, we'll all be too sick to ride.
Follow us down the rabbit hole. Visit the TomoNews.net website or download the app today.